welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is a very exciting video. As you can see, my big old smile. I am doing a makeup look using the Dose of Colors Snow Angels palette. You guys, look how gorgeous this is. When I saw Dose of Colors drop this palette on their Instagram, I was so in love because, let me just show you, because of this palette. Just look how gorgeous this palette is. It is so beautiful. I was drawn into these colors because these are just my type of colors. These are up my alley, you guys. And I was so drawn into it, I knew I had to get it. And so when it launched, I got it. I was really intrigued by this blue. Obviously, I have it on my eyes today. But I did use these three shades, or this shade, this shade, and this shade. So they used these three shades to incorporate the look that I have on my eyes today. So yeah, I am creating a look using this palette, and this is gonna be a makeup tutorial, of course. I got their little minis set. These are Dose of Colors mini mattes, and they are including two new shades in here, which is these two new shades here. This one is Truffle, which is my ultimate favorite lipstick. I have it in my purse. I just travel everywhere with it. And they also have this pinkish shade called Stone, which I've been dying to try. I do have the lipstick, one of the newer lipstick on my lips, and it's called Catching Feelings, and it's just this nice nude brown shade that is just perfect with any look. But I did go in with a bold eye, so I went in with the nude lips. So yeah, I created a look using these two products. This is their new holiday collection from Dose of Colors. I love this packaging so much. I mean, as you can see on my nails, I'm just in love with this type of colors, these little pastel baby blue shades. I really hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. I really have nothing else to say, but if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I've zoomed you in closer to my face, and let's go ahead and work on the eyes. I've already prepped my eyes, of course. And I'm just going to jump straight into the palette. I'm going to just go straight into this pink shade right here called Pretty Bold. And this is going to be my crease color. Pop that right on the crease. We're going in with a flat brush, and we are jumping into this very electric blue shade, and this shade is called 0 Degrees. Take some of that, going to put that right on my lid. You can see it's really bold. I'm just going to place that all over my eyes. Really wanted to use this shade. It's so pretty. There are a lot of fallouts, so you're gonna want to be careful with those. I'm going in with a blending brush, going back into that 0 Degrees shade. I'm just going to blend it out. This will soften the edges a little bit better than that flat shader brush. Let's fix those edges. Just when you think I was about to be done, I am going in with this shade called Thin Ice. The last shade down here, it's like a dark navy blue. And we are popping that on the outer corners and just blend it out. Go back into that crease shades, fix it up. Don't want that shade to disappear, so I'm just going to put it over the shades. Alright, I just want to go ahead and finish the eyes this time around. So let's go in with my lower lash line, and I'm going to start off with that pink shade, of course. This is the Pretty Bold shade. Lower lash line, of course, is going to be that electric blue shade in 0 degrees. Ooh, so dramatic. And then for the lower lash line, I am going in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Out of the Blue. So it's kind of like a similar blue, which I'm going to apply right on the waterline. Go ahead and quickly jump into the lashes, and I'm going in with my Chummy Lashes from Morphe brushes, and I will be back with them on. Alrighty, I am back. So I am done with my lashes. I got these big, long, bold lashes for bold eyelids. And I also did, I also put some mascara on my lower lashes. Of course, they are so short that you can barely see them, but it's there if you look closely. But yes, let's go on and do the face now, shall we? This is actually one of my favorite that I was using constantly before I bought my Marc Jacobs one. So this is the Becca bronzer, and this is in the shade Bronze Bondi. What if I showed you? Should give me a nice bronze. I like. It's been a while since I've last used this, so there you go. Pick up some colors. We are going into my favorite Milani in this shade Luminoso. I finished my other one and I just bought a fresh Rude. Just bought a new one here. So here is the Luminoso. Add some of this goodness onto the cheeks. Nice peachy look with a highlighted glow as well. But that's gonna be for now, and we are going to a highlighter. And the highlighter that I am going to is my trusty Hourglass. This is the Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. It looks like this, and I'm going to use the shade in the center right here, this yellowy shade. Tapping into that center shade here. Will you still be here? So I'm going to add a little bit of that shade in the center onto the inner corners of my eyes. Lastly, onto the lips. I also got this little toasty set from Dose of Colors. We got 2 new shades as well. So we have Heartbreaker, nude pinky shade right here. And this other new one called Catching Feelings, which I'm probably going to be using. Yeah, it's more of a paler nude shade right here. So this is Catching Feelings. Because the eyes are so bold, I wanted to go with the lighter shade. I feel like it just pairs really nicely together. So this is the look, you guys. It's so nice. I got to spritz. Going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray all over. Alright you guys, and this concludes my makeup look using the Snow Angel palette from Dose of Colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just love and adore this palette so much. I just love Dose of Colors in general. I feel like they just focus so much on the quality of the product, and that is why I'm just so drawn to this brand and Anna, and I feel like she's such a beautiful person and she creates just some fantastic products, and the quality is no joke. You guys should definitely pick up these products because I feel like they are so good. You're gonna miss out if you don't get your hands on this palette and the lipsticks, because their lipsticks are bomb. So definitely get your hands on those. I have nothing else to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.